Namaskar everyone.
Namaskar.
So as you know that today we were out for movie screening that was 370, and if I may ask you a few questions that what is Article 370 and why it is significant?
Article 370 grants a special status to Jammu and Kashmir as it gives it its own constitution, and Jammu and Kashmir can take its own decisions regarding finance, communication and other external affairs related to the state. It also established a strong relation between the national government and the Jammu and Kashmir government.
My second question goes, and I want to know the answer, that why do you feel that what is the political connection and the background that can state the idea of Jammu and Kashmir?
There were many political dynamics shown and integrated in the movie. While the politicians showed dominance over the poverty that was going through the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and while the terrorists and the other people attacked the people, while there were no seats reserved for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and OBCs.
Definitely, that reservation is again an important point that states. So, if you guys feel that what is something, the argument that is for Article 370 and something that states the difference and against the motion about the article and the argument of 370.
Look, according to me, if I say for, we know that India is a sovereign and a secular country where many religions, the people of several religions are living here. For example, Buddhism, Christianity, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, etc. So this kind of turbulence and this violence should not happen in the country. And as for the case, this terrorism, violence, that not sharing brotherhood between the people, it's a really bad thing that we should not, this practice should not follow.
Does it state the idea of being secular?
Exactly, it does.
Okay, so if I feel, as Suvika rightly said, that how it connects to the social aspects of our nation.
Before watching the movie, I had little to no idea about the Article 370. I've heard about it, but it really enhanced my knowledge after watching the movie. I learned the steps taken by the government for and against the special status given to Kashmir by the Article 370. Before the 370 was abolished, the Kashmir had a lot of terrorism and illegal activities going on, but after it was abolished, a lot of people felt safe in Kashmir and many felt free as well.
Okay, so if I may ask you guys that do you actually feel that movie was really imbibing? So any feedback that they would like to give, and what kind of excursion that you actually expect?
Well, the movie was amazing and I do expect such more excursions from the management. The movie was amazing, of course. It was a detailed, entailment, of course, from the movie about the Article 370, which gave us more knowledge, more enhancement of our past. So I do expect more such excursions wherein our knowledge is enhanced.
Thank you. Surely we'll definitely plan something which is actually imbibing and expressing the same values. Thank you to everyone.
Thank you.